I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. It actually works. It's super insane, guys. So check it out right here.
Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of TikTok coins completely for free, guys. So just keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So all we got to do, guys, is just go ahead and go to our browser. And once we're here, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in ZooMods. So once you get onto this site, guys, we're going to go to the search bar and we're just going to go ahead and type in TikTok. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it says TikTok coins mod. So you just want to go ahead and press on that. It's going to start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out about this method. You want to know why? Because let's go over to the App Store together and let's see how much TikTok coins cost. It's not pretty. So as you can see right here, if I go ahead and type in TikTok, as you can see, and we just go over to this and we just come down here and we go to in-app purchases. As you can see right here, it is very expensive. So I would not encourage you to do this. It is very bad. So be sure to go ahead and try out my method. It actually works, guys. It's totally for free. So yeah, this is super insane, guys. If this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about this method, guys, because it's super awesome. And it actually works. So it's super insane, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out. It actually works. It's super cool, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and just get the word out about the method, because I'm not sure enough people know about this method, guys. It's updated and it's going to work for you guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and just get the word out. If you want to be rich, it's possible. It is possible, guys. So super cool. Be sure to go ahead and try this out right now while it still works. It's super insane. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.